Hello, my dear customer. Welcome to my studio. I'm the host, Samuel. Today, I just want to introduce some brands like Gesac, the Endmill. Gesac Endmill is very popular in international market, and also the veggie brand. The veggie brand is from Korea, and also the KORLOY brand. The KORLOY brand is also from the Korean. You can see in front of us is the international brand. So the Gesac Endmill from the diameter 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and also the 16 different sizes. And the veggie brand inserts like the turning inserts, the DMG, and also the CMG, and also the mini inserts, the EMX 0604, and also the KORLOY brand. So if you're also looking for the different brands of the inserts, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.